there and welcome back to my channel. Have you ever roasted vegetables and then partway through your cooking you had to then tediously flip all of them to get a nice even browning on them? Well, here we're going to make some fries that you don't have to flip and they turn out perfectly every time. I've made this recipe so many times. It's so exciting that I get to share this with you. Let's just get to it. Ingredients. Potatoes, as many as you're willing to cut up. I chose 6 since it's an easy number. Salt. Pepper. Have a cup of vegetable oil of your choice. In this video I used olive oil, but canola works too. Or really safflower, peanut, whatever you wanted. Preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and then place your oil inside a relatively large bowl and set that aside. Prepare your potatoes by cutting them in half and then cutting wedges out of each of those halves. I suppose you can make fries in whatever shape you want, but I have had the best success with these. When you've cut them all up, mix them around in the bowl with your oil until they're evenly coated. Place them on a greased baking sheet or one with parchment paper or a silica mat. Try to remove the excess oil on them before you put them on the sheet, as it'll cause steaming rather than frying. Season them on only one side with salt and pepper. Make sure to use small amounts if you're not sure how much you want to put on, because they're easy to overseason and you can always put more on later if you don't think it's enough. Put them in the oven at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes and then pull them out when they've bubbled on their exposed veggie flesh and have browned. If you're going to do multiple pans, make sure to switch the pans on their respective racks once after 20 minutes. Here's where you can decide to maximize your potato to pan space by either having a lot on one pan and having them be a little less brown after the 40 minutes, or you can put fewer on, space them out more so they get very crisp. Either way, they're both good, but the choice is yours. Now, I generally eat these plain, but feel free to enjoy them with whatever your favorite fry topping is. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, if you don't like regular fries, you can do this with sweet potatoes, you can do this with yucca, you can do it with any starchy root tuber thing. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you give me a big thumbs up and drop me a comment below if you've tried this or will try it. Don't forget, while you're here, to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Take care.